There are moments in life when your body feels strong, and there are moments when it doesn't, when pain lingers, when weakness sets in, when healing feels slow or distant. And in those moments, it can be hard not just physically, but emotionally, spiritually, because physical pain has a way of affecting everything: your energy, your mindset, your hope, and sometimes even your faith. But the Bible speaks into this. God is not distant from your physical condition. He is present in it. Psalm 103 reminds us of who God is. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals all your diseases. God is not only concerned with your spirit, he cares about your body. Your pain matters to him. Your healing matters to him. Healing doesn't always look the same for everyone. Sometimes it is immediate, sometimes it is gradual, and sometimes it is a journey. But God is present in every part of it. Jeremiah 30 says, "For I will restore health to you and heal you of your wounds, says the Lord." Restore, not just fix. Restore. God brings renewal, strength where there has been weakness, wholeness where there has been pain. There is also a promise in Isaiah 53. By his wounds we are healed. Through what Jesus endured, healing became possible, not just spiritually, but completely. That doesn't mean every answer comes instantly, but it does mean that healing is part of God's heart toward you. Sometimes the hardest part is the waiting, the not knowing, the wondering if things will change. But even in the waiting, God is working. Exodus 15 says, "I am the Lord who heals you. Not I was, not I might be. I am, present, active, still healing." When your body feels weak, God is still your strength. Isaiah 40 reminds us, he gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might, he increases strength. Even when healing is in process, strength is available. Sometimes healing looks like endurance, like getting through one more day, like finding strength where you thought you had none, and God meets you there too. James chapter 5 says, "Is anyone among you sick? Let him call for the elders of the church and let them pray over him. And the prayer of faith will save the sick, and the Lord will raise him up." You were never meant to go through this alone. Healing is not just personal. It is supported, carried, prayed for. If you are dealing with pain right now, if your body feels worn down, if healing feels far away, God's promise still stands. He sees you, he is with you, and he is working. Let's declare these promises together. God is my healer. He restores my health. He strengthens my body. Even when I feel weak, he gives me strength. Healing is working in me. God is with me in this process. I will not lose hope. I trust God with my body. I trust his timing. I trust his power. Your pain is not invisible. Your struggle is not forgotten. And your healing is not impossible. God is near. God is faithful. And God is still healing. Hold on to his word. Trust his presence. And remember, even in your weakness, God is your strength.